Did you know Thomas wasn't just doubting for a few minutes? He spent 8 whole days wondering if Jesus was really alive while his friends kept telling him they had seen him. Picture this. The disciples are hiding in a locked room, scared and confused. Jesus suddenly appears and shows them his hands and side. They're amazed and filled with joy, but Thomas isn't there. Maybe he went to get food or just needed some air. We don't know why he missed the most important moment in history. For 8 days, Thomas heard the same story over and over. We saw him. Jesus is alive. But Thomas needed proof. He wanted to touch the nail marks himself. Can you imagine how alone he felt? His best friends had seen Jesus, but he hadn't. When Jesus finally appeared to Thomas, he didn't get angry about the doubts. Instead, he let Thomas touch his wounds. Then Jesus said something beautiful about people who believe without seeing. Thomas's questions didn't make him weak. They made the whole story stronger. Sometimes our doubts lead us to deeper faith.